Discover the latest insights into the waterproof circular USB connector market, including size, share, trends, and emerging opportunities in our comprehensive report for the year 2025 to 2032. The global market for waterproof circular USB connectors was valued at $220.3 million United States dollars in 2023 and is projected to grow to $330.5 million United States dollars by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 5.5% from 2023 to 2032. The market is segmented by type, including IP68 and IP69K protection, and by application, covering industrial, marine, military, and other sectors. Our research process involves 6 key steps: problem definition, research design, materials preparation, data collection, data processing, and reporting, ensuring thorough and accurate market analysis. The market is analyzed by region, including North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Africa, and South America, providing a global perspective on market trends. Key players in the market include Bulgin, Harding, Amphenol, Bulgin Limited, Samtec, Schneider Electric, and Switchcraft, highlighting the major companies driving industry growth. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and insights into the waterproof circular USB connector market.